Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video we will discuss about removal order, how to process removal orders in Odoo. But before we do that, let us understand what is removal order. In FBA location, seller might need to remove their inventory after a specific period of time due to any reason, maybe to avoid long-term storage fee, maybe the product is not sellable anymore, or maybe there can be any other reason due to which seller either might need to request their inventory back to their warehouse or they need to dispose that inventory. So in today's video we will discuss about the removal order process, creation of the removal order, and how the removal order are being managed in Odoo. So let us go to Amazon module. Before we execute the operation, let us understand the configuration. Here in the configuration we have a specific configuration for the removal order. If you have already created removal order in Amazon and you want to import the removal order in Odoo, then you need to first enable this option. When you enable this option, these two options will appear on your screen, from where you can select the removal warehouse to which you want your inventory to be received at the merchant location, and this is the removal order marketplace which will be used while creating removal order in Odoo. Now once you have done this configuration, you can go to operations, select the operation, and then there is an operation for the removal order. You can either create a removal order directly from Odoo, you can request Amazon to remove the inventory from their warehouse, or you can directly create the removal order on Amazon and that removal order can be imported in Odoo. So let us understand both this operation one by one. So first let us see how to create removal order from Odoo. When you click on execute, system will take you to this wizard from where you can select the product which needs to be removed from Amazon location. You can select the disposition, it can be either return or disposal, and once the product is selected you can create removal order. Then this will be routed to Amazon and Amazon will approve or reject your removal order plan. If the plan is approved, then the status will be moved from draft to removal plan approved. Now this is the first step. If you want to create the removal order directly on Amazon and then you want to import in Odoo, then again you can go to operation, FBA, import removal orders. So here you need to specify the date range, and upon execution system will import the removal orders here in Odoo. So this is the removal order that will be imported, and here you can also see the transfers that has been created. And once you receive this removal order, you need to receive it in your warehouse. The warehouse has already been configured in the configuration, and here the removal orders will be created. So this is the removal order. The pickings and everything will be created automatically based on the configuration that you have done for the warehouse. So this way you can either create a removal order or import the removal order in Odoo without logging into your Seller Central account. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.